It is definitely Monday vibes today. I went to take a shower last night and the drain wouldn't go down, like the water would not drain. So this morning the water was still not draining. So then we tried snaking it. We tried we tried plunging it. We tried taking the little back piece off, like where it stops the water from going down. We put hot water down. We put some salt. We also put like a septic safe, like not Drano, but like a similar type thing down. So now we don't know what else to do. It's Christmas Eve tomorrow. I have to go do so much today. And it's so expensive for a plumber to come out. And they're saying they can't come out until Friday. And then we're just scared that the water in the pipes are going to freeze. Like the water that's sitting in the sink and like in the pipes. Because like, I don't even know. I don't know. We were not prepared for this today. And of course it has to happen the day before the holidays. But if you have any plumbing tips, we have a septic tank. It's freezing outside. We're trying to get the trap open next. I don't know. I'm not manly enough for this.